Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I am working as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. And BISP Solution is a tech company providing technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, we are going to see how to apply a for loop and n/search module on a saved search, right? First of all, what we are going to do, let me show you. This is our saved search and this is the name, David Records. Now we need to extract only two records, top two records. That means for this, we need to use a for loop, right? Now, let me show you. See here, we will create a saved search in record and then we will use n search module and apply for loop. Let me show you with an example. Now see here, first of all, this is our record, control F, sales order form. I will take sales order form here. Yeah, this is the sales order form. There are only three records, and for that I have created a saved search here without any criteria. I have just given the criteria of name contains David, right? Now I have to select the top two records only from 0 to 1, 0, 0th record and first record, right? So for this, what I have done here, inside page init, I have written some code. First of all, we have to write down here n/search, then search, and then my search equal to search dot load ID. Now ID is the sales order ID. Let me show you the saved search ID. Let me open the saved search. Here is the list of saved search. This is the ID, right? This is what I have copied here and pasted here like this. Now I have created an array salesperson list. Then search result, my search, run, get range. Range means starting with 0 and end with 2. That means we have created uh, a range 0 to 2 like this. And then for we have applied the for loop, variable I equal to 0, I is equal to less than search result dot length. That means 2. And then what we have taken first is the name and then customer record sales rep. Sales rep means we want to extract the sales rep only. Let me show you this. Only sales rep, David William and David Johnson, right? So what we have done here, we have applied the sales rep like this. Salesperson name, sales rep name equal to search result get value, and this is the ID of that element. Let me show you this again. Where is that sales rep? This. Here is the ID. If you click on this, here is the ID. Just a second. Here is the ID, customer record sales rep, right? Now we have inserted it into the array like this, and then I have alerted it. We can use it in any function or any type of work, but I have right now alerted this data. So I have uploaded this. I have deployed this script on sales order form page init. Now let me refresh this. Yes, new sales order. Now see here, first David William. You can see here David Johnson. Only two records. Only two sales rep are extracted here, and the third one that I was showing that was visible here, David Clark. It was not extracted because as per the for loop, 0 and less than 2, that means 0 and 1. So 0th record and first record are extracted. So in this way, this video I have created to show you how to apply the for loop on a saved search. And in my previous video, I have shown you how to apply the filter. So I recommend you to watch that video also, which is based on filters and search. This is for loop. Now you can apply the what we can say the filters also. For example, where sales rep name contains, this was already covered in our previous video. So I recommend you to watch that video. And this was how to apply the for loop. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you, and please keep on practicing. And if you have any doubt regarding this for loop, you can write down in the comment box. I will prepare more videos to clarify your doubt. So guys, keep watching my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.